Forex trading can be alluring with the potential for high profits, but there are 3 key drawbacks to keep in mind. First, Forex trading requires significant knowledge and experience to be successful. Without proper education and training, it can be very difficult to make profitable trades. Second, Forex trading involves a lot of complex calculations and analysis. Mistakes can lead to significant losses, so it requires constant attention and precision. Finally, Forex trading can be incredibly time-consuming. Monitoring the market and analyzing trends can take up a lot of time and energy, making it difficult to balance with other responsibilities. While Forex trading can be rewarding, it's important to keep these drawbacks in mind before jumping in. It's important to have a solid understanding of the market, the tools and strategies that work, and the risks involved. As an alternative, new traders may want to investigate the ETF Cash trading system available at etfcash.com. It's simple to use and has provided consistent returns for the past 13 years.